Hey Scrapbook friends, it's Nicole, and my Croptoberfest starts in about 3 hours, but UPS just dropped off my package with the new stuff, so I'm going to show it to you. But before that, I'm going to show you just a quick little tour of my studio here in Madison, Alabama. I've done this on Facebook, but I don't think I've ever done it on YouTube. All right, so here we are at my studio. It's called Rocket Paper Scissors here in Madison, Alabama. Here's the new stuff I'm going to show you in just a second. I'm all set up for Croptoberfest. It's about 2 o'clock. We start at 5, so I'm a little bit running around like a crazy woman, but I'm mostly set up. I just had to unpack these boxes. So I thought I'd just give you a quick tour of my studio. I've got some of the Croptoberfest stuff, the new Christmas stuff, the happy albums, ABCs. I've got 8x8s, and then my solid colored albums are here. All my paper packs, and then I have a bunch of album covers, usually the ones that I've shown you guys on on our preview videos, and I have far too many punches and Board Maker cartridges because I just love them so much. And then I've got some organizers, and then if you ever have the opportunity to come and crop with me, I do have my tools table where I have one of all of the current punches or punches that I have in stock, and a sample of the border punches and the Board Maker system. We have a little coffee station. We have a fridge with drinks. Don't look at my messy office back there. And this will be our food table. Again, I got to clean that off. And then everybody gets their own 6-foot table to scrapbook on. And so today for Croptoberfest, we're going to be doing the project recipe. So they've got that on their table. So I figured I'd just show you this real quick before I get started, and now we'll go to the new product. Okay, thankfully, for the sake of my sanity, we don't have a full new collection this time, but I did want to show you the Rainbow Dots Crop Caddy. We had a similar Crop Caddy a few years ago, but this one feels taller and it has the spinner on the bottom. So it's an actual like little Lazy Susan spinner. So you can put this on your work table, and this is great for the things that you access regularly while you're scrapbooking. So you can, stick your scissors, your pens, your ruler, maybe your tape renders in here, and then when you're ready to go home, it's got these 2 little handles and you can just carry it home with you. And it's in the cute rainbow dots pattern. And I know not everyone loves the rainbow dots, but it's just been a fun thing they're doing this year. So if you want to see this in the plain blue and black again, let us know. I can submit it to Creative Memories, or I can tell you how to do that, and down the line maybe they'll bring it back out. But really, really like this little Lazy Susan spinner thing on the bottom. And then we also have a new kids scrapbooking kit. This is called Animal Friends. And you get an 8x8 album, you get some little animal paper clips, some washi tape, mini gel pens, a jumbo tip adhesive, and some stickers and paper embellishments. So you just need to have your, print out pictures for your child, and they can put it in this cute little 8x8 paper album. It's a very, very fun project. And right now, if you purchase any of our 3 kids kits, you're also going to get the little tool case for free. So what I like to do when we did this for my kids camp this summer is after they open up this package, which is all packaged so nicely, for gift giving and stuff, but you don't want to have to worry about putting these back in their little space every time. So all these things will just fit nicely in this little case, and then all their tools can go. So you get this $5 value for free when you buy the $30 Animal Friends scrapbooking kit, or Totally Awesome and Cool Vibes are the names of the other 2 kits. And then if your child wants to keep going with this scrapbooking, you can use any of these 8x8 paper albums and just cut them down the middle with our paper trimmer, and then put them in an 8x8 album cover in the side loading pockets. And this is a new 8x8 that's kind of designed to go along with that. It's called Twinkles, for obvious reasons, because it's got these cute little holographic twinkle foil design on the front. So I really like that. We also have this cute word bubble punch. It's a mini punch. So it's, not the size of our regular punches. And this looks to be about a 1 inch, about a 1 inch diameter by 3/4 inch little punch. And let's punch out a little guy. So that's the shape, little word bubble. You could also, I think, use this as like a little pumpkins. It also makes like a cute little head. It reminds me of Joy from the Inside Out movies. So I think there are lots of fun things you could do with this little word bubble punch. But of course, it is designed for kids if they want to put, picture and what somebody is saying. You probably wouldn't want to punch it out of blue with that. All right, so that's kind of the things that go along with the kid kit. So now I have the sad news of showing you something that's actually sold out on the website. I'm filming this on Thursday afternoon. This went for sale on Monday and it is already sold out, which probably will tell Creative Memories that this is a product that we are interested in. So maybe we will they will bring it back. But basically it's an anti-stick powder tool, and what they say is it makes any sticker unsticky. So apparently it's printed on the packaging, so that must be a real word. So when you very first get this, you can pull it out of the box, and you want to unscrew the blue ring, and it's full of powder, so be a little careful, and take this little plastic shield off. This is just to keep it safe in transit. And then you screw the cap back on. Sorry to make it squeaky. And then shake it up a little bit because you want to get the powder down into the little foam top. And then it's got this little foam section, and I don't know if we'll be able to see the foam on here, but you want to just tap it a little bit, and it's going to release some foam to de-stickify. So I have a sticker from Life at the Lake. Let's see, we'll use There's No Crying and Fishing, but Sometimes Swearing. So you can see it's just a sticker and it's sticky. But now that I've kind of prepped this a few times, you know, tap it to get some of the powder down into there, I can just kind of tap on here. I can see a little dust of powder coming out. And it's just going to de-stickify my sticker. So now it's not sticky anymore. It doesn't feel like a sticker. But then I could take my foam squares, and they will stick to the powder. You know, it doesn't like neutralize the stickiness, but now I've put these foam squares on, and so I can peel these off and have, you know, my little dimensional sticker. But like I say, this did sell out online, so if this is something that you're interested in, you know, we can also write to Creative Memories and say, hey, we like this, bring it back. So, or your advisor may have ordered extra, you know, to have in her inventory. But hopefully you ordered it when it came out on Monday. We have our monthly card kit. It's called Possum, not to be confused with those animals that, you know, look like giant rats, but Possum. And so you get a set of 3 cards, the ingredients to make 3 cards, and the directions. So you have your possum, animals leave a special place in our hearts, and thinking of you. So wouldn't these be fun if you had a friend maybe who had lost a pet, or a kid who loves animals for their birthday or something like that? So that's the card kit trio. And then we also have one of our full card kits that comes in this nice box. So the trio has 3 cards, and the card kits have 12. They come in this really nice box, and it's basically the same concept where you get all the pieces. You get the card bases, the envelopes. You get all the components that are labeled by number and letter. So what you want to do is spread these out like on your table, 1 through 12, A, B, C, D, E, or whatever. And then you can follow the little directions, and they tell you how to do it. Align it here, 1A to 1C, 1 and D, you know, I apply die cuts with foam squares. So all of the things you need for all of these cards are going to be in this card kit. So you can give the cards, you could make the cards and give the cards to someone. You could give the card kit to someone you know that likes to do projects. And it's so nice because it comes in this very nice little gift box. I really love these boxes. If you don't love the sentiments that they chose, you always get a bonus set. So for instance, this one, Wishing You Comfort and Peace, I don't know what the number is, but one of them looks just like that. Here we go. So this one, You Are on My Mind, Friend, you could use that one instead. You know, so every one of these sentiments, there's a different one that will, you know, could be a substitute if you want to say something different. All right, we also have the This Life Simple Page Kit number 11, which makes this layout kind of a Thanksgiving theme. Give thanks. Got the stickers. In this, you get 3 papers. 2 of them are pre-printed background papers, and 1 of them is a cut apart. So it's a very fast, quick way to put together a layout easily, and it's all, you know, professionally designed by somebody else, so you don't have to do anything but put it together. So this is the cut apart. So they're going to have you cut 1, 2, and then these, and then you put it on the base. And if you don't like the designs on the base, like this one's got little pumpkins on it, the back side is printed, but this one, the back side just has the cutting guide. And then you have the stickers. I haven't talked a lot about these simple page kits, but it's nice because you can do just 1 layout a month, as they come out with one every month, and just kind of keep track of your highlight photos for the whole year and just be done quickly and easily. And finally, we have the secret box. Mine is still sealed up. But I know that there are people who have opened this, and if you desperately want to know what is in the secret box, you can shoot me a message on Facebook. Is easiest for me to let you know what's in this. I will get somebody else's pictures and share that with you, because mine, I really like to not open them until we open them together. But secret box number 4, and the best thing is if you order secret box 4, anything else you order plus the secret box, your shipping is free. Your online shipping is free from my website. So you don't have to pay any of the shipping charges. It'll come straight to your door. So those are the end of October-ish new products. We've had a couple product releases this month, so I'm not sure. Maybe they're calling it mid-October. But that's just a quick overview. Thankfully, I didn't have to show you all the papers or all the punches because I got to get ready for my Craptoberfest. So I'm going to put this video together and get it uploaded while I'm setting up, and hopefully this will give you a good clue of what's brand new from Creative Memories in mid-October 2024.